The South African Health Products Regulatory Authority (SAHPRA) is the organization responsible for regulating the use of all health products throughout South Africa. SAHPRA oversees the regulation of health products intended for human and animal use, the licensing of manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors of medicines, medical devices, radiation-emitting devices and radioactive nuclides, and the conduct of clinical trials. Establishments must obtain the necessary licensing from SAHPRA to engage in activities related to medical devices, such as manufacturing, distributing, importing, exporting, and wholesaling. Before any licenses are granted by SAHPRA, organizations must first prove that they have the ISO 13485 certification, as it serves as a foundational prerequisite for obtaining and maintaining any future SAHPRA licenses. DQS is ASANAS or SANA's accredited certification body. We provide a reliable path for ISO 13485 certification in South Africa for organizations committed to upholding the highest quality standards in the medical device industry. Contact us today to learn more. Visit www.dqsglobal.com.